Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make mini vegetable samosas. So for this recipe, you'll require half a cabbage, medium sized, one spring onion, one white onion, and I added one red onion. I used about 5 medium sized carrots, paprika, black pepper, garam masala, salt, soy sauce, and of course cooking oil. So the next step is just going to be shredding the vegetables into smaller pieces. So here my vegetables are nicely shredded. We're just going to fry them. Once they are fried, we are going to set them aside and make the samosa pockets. I have a detailed video of how I make samosa pockets. You can check it out. I will link it on the description box below so that you can check it out. So we'll just start with the frying process. So I'll saute the onions for about 2 minutes, then add my carrots and cabbage. Be sure to check the exact measurement of the ingredients on the description box. Please remember to subscribe, share this video, like, and leave a comment. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, our vegetable will be ready. We will set it aside and make samosa pockets. You don't want it to be too mushy. Just want it to be at least a little bit crunchy, but not too crunchy. So I use 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a fifth of paprika powder and black pepper for the samosa pockets.